Alright, welcome back to Vegas Gabe. I wanted to do this video for a while now. We are at the Mirage. If you haven't heard, the Mirage is closing down permanently on July 17th, so it has about 3 weeks left. I wanted to get down here, do a room tour, do a casino tour and everything, so I'm super glad we were able to get down here and check it out. We got a room here just for tonight, got a decent rate on it, so I'm inside the room right now. Let me flip the camera around, I'll show you the room right now. I'm really excited to be here, let's check it out. So that's the front door that you walk in from right here. Immediately to the left is a closet, pretty basic, ironing board, iron, hangers. There's a safe, that's good. So pretty basic, but very roomy actually. And then in here you got your bathroom. Let's check out the bathroom. Okay, so that fan's kind of noisy, but at least you can turn it off, right? So that's good. So you got your mirror right here. Hey, there I am. Conditioner, shampoo, lotion, cleansing bar. Nice. Okay, so it looks very clean. Little makeup, mirror. Looks very old actually, but it's clean. I give them that. Nice tile. Plenty of towels. Let's take a look at the shower. All right, nice. Yeah, it's pretty nice actually. So it's you know, it's an older property, but at least it's clean. It's very clean, so I give them that. That's good. Let's take a look at the rest of the room now. All right, so here's the rest of the room. So it's like a little nightstand area right outside the bathroom. Just some painting. Let's see here, lamp. There you go. Nice bed. This is a king, I think, or queen. I think it was a king. I can't remember. So this is my don't touch area because they charge you for all these right here. So never touch that area. Let's see if, yep, don't touch these anywhere. We're just gonna close those immediately. We are not getting charged for those, right? Some storage areas right here. Kind of a cool design, I guess. Yeah. Big TV. Nice big TV actually. So you got a little working area right here, a little workstation. You know, I always mention this, plenty of outlet space. You got charging only, so some USBs in there. Now this is kind of cool. I haven't seen this any other place. To change the side input, please press the input button on your television remote. So that's actually pretty cool. You can actually hook up audio PC, HDMI, and the old RCA cables, the white, red, and yellow one, and connect to the TV. I have to say I've never stayed at any place that offered that, so that's kind of cool. Over here, just the same thing, a lamp, basically the same as the other side, except for you have the phone on this side. The only thing I will say is I don't see any electrical outlets or charging ports. Oh, never mind. Nope. Okay, so that's just a switch for that one, and one night's out. But they're closing in 3 weeks, so I wouldn't expect them to change it. But yeah, the only kind of negative thing I can say about this room is I don't see any charging outlets. Oh, never mind, it's not out. It's just separate. Never mind. My bad. Yeah, that's the only negative thing I can say about it is that I don't see any charging stations on the side of the bed. I like to have my phone charging right next to me, you know, in case of an emergency or anything. Other than that, I will say this, I'm not bashing Mirage because it's an older property, but I will say this, like, that's probably the only wear and tear I really see in the entire room. Other than that, it's beautiful. The lobby was absolutely beautiful. Yeah, that's really the only thing I can say is there is some wear and tear signs, but like I said, with how old the property is, it doesn't surprise me. Other than that, it's very clean though. They did a great job cleaning it. So yeah, overall I'm very happy here. Now, let's see. All right, so from here, from the room, you can see the Rio. You can see Palms Hotel and Casino. You can see Caesars straight ahead over here. You can see the tall one over there, that's Cosmo. Planet Hollywood. You can see a little bit of the MGM Grand, the top part. You can see Paris. Hilton Grand Vacations, that's part of the Alara too. Here's the Flamingo. What else? The Link. You can see the Link. You can see the Link High Roller, the Ferris wheel right there. So it's actually kind of a cool view. And their hair is down here. So, okay, you can see a decent amount. That little beige building down there, That is actually Cromwell, which is a 21 and up, adults only hotel and casino. And you can see the pool from here, so we're about to go down to the pool and check it out. Super excited to go check that out. Let's go down there. Oh, okay. So it's firm, but you still kind of sink in a little bit. Actually, I think it's probably just the perfect amount of firmness. Yeah, actually, it's not bad. I like it. Always got to do the mattress test, right? All right, so there you have that. You've seen the room. You've seen kind of the lobby when we checked in and the view from the room. Now, I did pay, I want to say it was like $9 or $10 extra to have this strip view. So I don't know what a non-strip view would have looked like. But yeah, that's the room. I'm going to do a separate video of the resort and the pool and all that just because it's closing in 3 weeks. And honestly, Mirage is kind of a Vegas legacy. It was kind of the first mega resort of its type. So I want to do 2 separate videos just to pay tribute to it. So watch my next video for the resort and pool tour. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. Hit the like button for me. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel or become a channel member. I do all kinds of Vegas content. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next one. And yeah, Mirage is going away sadly, but thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Quiero yo hacerte el amor en la cama, porque tú sabes que tú eres mi dama. Ey, tienes día que te gusta, tú sabes que tú eres mi princesa, yeah, yeah. Vente pa' acá, mamá, tú sabes que yo soy de una alma, que no vas a intentar mis brazos, darte lo que quieras, mi amor, no perdóname. Saliendo todos los días con mis panas, fumando marihuana, bebiendo y pimpeando, jangueando, yo sé que eso a ti no te gusta. Saliendo todos los días con mis panas, fumando marihuana, bebiendo y pimpeando, jangueando, yo sé que eso a ti no te gusta. Tú y yo, en la cama tú y yo, quiero hacerte el amor. En la cama tú y yo, quiero hacerte el amor.